Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve screen aspect ratio issues you may be experiencing on your Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is start by opening up the search menu, type in settings. Best result should come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. Now you want to go ahead and select the display option on the right side. So go ahead and left click on that. And then where it says display resolution, adjust the resolution to fit your connected display. Click on the drop down here. And then you want to go ahead and select the one that's appropriate for your monitor size. And then once you've done that, you would go ahead and select the keep changes. And then once you're done with that, you would select keep changes. Otherwise, you would revert and then go back to other options there. And then you would go down the list. So there you go, just go ahead and adjust it from here, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.